one, we're going to solve the equation tan of 2 theta equals -1 over the interval 0 to 2 pi. So the first thing I'm going to do is set this to alpha. So if we have tan of alpha equals -1, that's going to give me, let's see, where is tan of alpha equal -1? That's going to be at 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. Now with tan, since we have to add more, well, let's just write that down. So alpha is going to be 3 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. That's when you divide these, you get -1. So you need them to be opposite. So we want alpha, we want this 2 theta to equal our alpha, because that will give us our solution. So our alpha, and we're just going to use this 3 pi over 4. And the period for tangent, it repeats every pi. So every 180 degrees, the solutions repeat. If you do this, the angle thing, it repeats. So we're just going to put k pi. Now, we're going to divide everything or multiply everything through by 1/2. That's going to give us theta equals 3 pi divided by 8 plus k pi divided by 2. Now, if we let, and this is going to include this because it repeats every pi. So we don't have to write this one down. If k is 0, we get, you'll put a 0 in here, and you're going to get theta equals 3 pi divided by 8. If k is 1, we get 3 pi divided by 8 plus pi divided by 2. Now what happens is we need a common denominator, so multiply this by 4, this by 4. So this is going to give you 7 pi divided by 8. All right, if k is 2, you're going to get 3 pi divided by 8 plus, and you keep adding 4 pi divided by 8. So if you add 4 to this, you're going to get 11 pi divided by 8. Add pi over 2 again, and you're going to get 15 pi divided by 8. Because you keep adding pi divided by 2. Now, if you add again, you're going to get 19 pi divided by 8, which is too big. Because you can't go over, or it can't equal 16 pi divided by 8. 16 pi divided by 8 is 2 pi. And it can't equal that. So at this point, we have to stop. And this will be your solutions. So you can see a pattern. You keep going around, all right, to get all the solutions. Now, if you plug all these solutions in back to your theta, you will get -1 because you just multiply it by 2, and it will be on your unit circle from 0 to 2 pi. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.